Boozhoo niman wain mo mapi jayeg, Miss J and Dejunakaz. This is week 25 of our second step home link. And there's only 3 more to go. It's so crazy and we've gone through the whole year of second step. 3 more sessions of these home link pages. So in week 25, we're teaching the children how to speak up assertively. It's really important that they can say what they need and what they want in an assertive but respectful voice. This will help your child to solve problems in safe ways. And so even the little 2-year-olds, we teach them the sign language for stop. So, whether in large motor or in their classrooms, you'll see even the little 2-year-olds saying and trying to say the word stop. And then as they get a little older, they add the words like stop. I don't like that. Please don't do that. I don't like that. So we give them the words to say so they can speak up assertively and take care of the problem that way. So speaking up assertively. So one of the little games you can play at home is you can put 6 items on the table, like maybe some kitchen items, like maybe a cup, a spoon, and a fork, and then on the other, and then 3 toys, a ball, a puzzle piece, and a book or something. And then you say, we're gonna play a game called Please Give It Back. So you slide off. Let's say you take the spoon first and you put it on the table, and then you say to your child, which one did I take? You took away my spoon. Please give it back. And then do the next item. And then it's also kind of they see which one's missing, so it's twofold. And so that's one of the little games you can play. So they work on that verbal skills of please give it back. You took my truck. Please give it back. You took my ball. I was going to play with that. Please give it back. And so that's the little game you can play at home to help them with that. This is the card this week that the teachers will be doing in the classroom. And once again, this is Zach and Gina. You ask your child, what's going on in this picture? Look at him. How do you think Zach feels? He's upset. Why do you think he's upset? Well, Gina drew on his picture. What should Zach say? Then you can practice that. Please stop. I don't like that when you paint on my picture. Please don't do that. And giving them the words to speak assertively to solve the problem. So you can just reiterate that at home. So that's week 25. And I just want to remind you, we have books. We have a whole library of books of different things you might be going through at home. Empathy skills, wild feelings books, taking turns, just a variety of books. So please feel free to come on up and check those out or go up to our library. They have beautiful books up there. So I just want to encourage you to do that. Do a little field trip to the library. Okay, Giga Bob and Mig Witch Bizendowie Egg. I'll see you next week. Take care.